This MSI bravo15 gaming laptop in black color weighs only 1.86 kgs, making it ideal for gamers on the move. It comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home, making it ready to use. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 processor, this laptop allows you to play demanding games without slowing down. The laptop features a 16GB DDR4 RAM with Radeon RX 5500M 4GB graphics that makes it ideal for heavy gaming and graphics editing. The laptop has 512GB SSD that provides higher responsiveness and faster boot up while being enough to store all your videos, movies and photos. It comes with lithium polymer battery that provides a battery life of up to 6.5 hours. This MSI laptop has a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with thin bezels that offers an immersive gaming and streaming experience. With a 144Hz refresh rate, you can play fast-paced games without any blurs. The laptop comes with a red backlit keyboard. It also comes with dedicated thermal solutions for the CPU and the GPU that protects the laptop against overheating even after extensive usage. The laptop has two Type-C USB 3.2 Gen 1, two Type-A USB 3.2 Gen 1, one RJ45 and one HDMI port for easy connectivity. The laptop comes with battery, power adapter and user guide included in the box. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.